In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature on Microsoft Outlook. Fast. 2025 Guide. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Outlook website. Sign into your Microsoft account as you normally do. Make sure you're on the Mail view so you can access all the email settings you need. If you're using multiple accounts, double check that you're logged into the one where you want the new signature to appear. Now look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a quick panel where you can adjust common preferences. If you don't immediately see the option you need, that's okay. Outlook often groups detailed options under a deeper settings page. From there, go into the account area. This section houses key account-related preferences and is where Outlook places the signature tools in the current layout. Once you're in account, choose Signatures. This is the hub for creating, editing, and managing all the signatures tied to your mailbox. Next, select New Signature. Outlook will create a blank entry and prompt you for a name. Give your signature a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, something like Work, Personal, or Support Team. Naming it well is especially helpful if you plan to maintain more than one version. With the signature selected, type the content you want to use. Keep it concise and professional. A simple structure works best. Your name, role, organization, and any necessary links such as a website or scheduling page. If you add images like a logo, use a small optimized file so messages load quickly. Use the formatting toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing, but avoid heavy styling that can break in some email clients. For links, make sure they're accurate and descriptive, and consider leaving out sensitive contact details you wouldn't want forwarded widely. When you're happy with it, click Save. Outlook stores your signature so it's ready the next time you compose a message. If you ever need to tweak the wording or adjust the look, just return to the same signatures page, select the one you created, make your changes, and save again. That's it. You opened Outlook, went into Settings, navigated to Account, opened Signatures, created a new one, named it, added your content, and saved. With this streamlined setup, you can update your signature anytime and keep your emails consistent and polished. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, feel free to repeat these steps whenever your details change to keep everything up to date.